What's so cool about manufacturing? Today we're visiting
Reynolds Services!
My name's Gary Flamino. I'm the plant manager here at Reynolds Services. My favorite part of the job here is working with people.
My name is Laura Pesta and I'm the purchasing manager here at RSI. I handle the day-to-day purchasing. My favorite part of the job is working with our suppliers and building relationships with them.
Hi, I am Shannon Kane and I am the manager of customer service for Reynolds Services. I take the orders, I put them in the system, I apply coils to them.
Hi, I'm Randy. I'm Director of Logistics and Outside Processing.
So what's your favorite part of your job?
Arranging freight for Reynolds Services. I negotiate freight rates for all the inbound and outbound shipments for the company.
After going on the trip and making the video about Reynolds Services, our group has learned that manufacturing is a very successful field to consider going into. It provides us with important resources that most of us couldn't live without, even though we may not realize it. It's also a very interesting process to see how the steel is made. It has to be just right or the spool of steel won't come out correctly. All of the employees told us that it's nice to work with the customers there because they're all very nice and accommodating. I think that manufacturing will be a great field to go into, and it is a very successful place to be. Reynolds Services does a lot to help people all over the world. They supply the metal to make tin cans for crackers and ship them to places where it's not safe to have your food in boxes. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out Reynolds Services.